Today is Wednesday, June 10th. Stop by the park for another quick update. Kings Island has released that they will open July 2nd through the 11th for season pass holders. And starting on July 12th, all ticket holders and pass holders can visit the park. Reservations must be made. A health screening must be completed also when making those reservations to determine if there are any illnesses. They are trying to prevent people that are sick from coming into the park. No word yet as when the water park's going to open though. Seen that Mystic Timbers was testing earlier. There's two guys up on the lift of Orion, and Drop Tower's catch car is down, so. But it doesn't look like anything's moving. I've been here about 15 minutes now and haven't seen anything. Looks like the BAD is ready to start testing. It's just sitting there on the top of the lift hill. First dining room experience since coronavirus hit at Wendy's. Adam is with me today. Say hello.
Hi.